Hey, my Tupperware peeps, it's Wednesday workshop time, and today I'm going to talk all about my favorite best-selling product, the Tupperware Breakfast Maker. I absolutely love this thing because my husband wakes up every day and says, "Hey, I want Denny's." I say, "Too bad, you get Jenny's." So I can make him an omelet in 2 minutes in the microwave with anything he wants in it. Top it with sour cream and salsa and call it a Southwest omelet. He wants an egg sandwich or a poached egg. I use my inserts. 35 to 40 seconds later, he has a poached egg. My daughter, not a fan of eggs, so I use the breakfast maker. 3 cinnamon rolls fit very nicely right down in here. 1 minute later, she has 3 hot cinnamon rolls. Well, if she's not in the mood for cinnamon rolls and says, "Hey, Mama, I want some French toast," no problem. 4 minutes later, in the microwave, she has French toast before school. Omelets, eggs, cinnamon rolls, French toast, muffins. Say what? Half a box of the muffin mix, mixed like its package says. Pour half of the mixture in the breakfast maker. 1 minute later, muffin bread. Can get 2 of them out of a package. But breakfast maker, it's not just for breakfast anymore. 1 cup of cake mix, 1 minute, voila, an individual sized cake. Comes out super cute. Lots of recipes on Tupperware.com. Also, late at night when you have that hankering for a brownie and you just don't want to wait the whole time the oven has to heat up, recipe for brownies on there. 90 seconds later, you're eating a hot brownie watching your favorite show. I love my breakfast maker. I hope you do too. Thanks, y'all. See you next week.